What if you could deploy n8n on your own VPS in just a few clicks? No manual installation, no command line setup, no dependency headaches. In the previous tutorial, we installed this automation platform step by step on a VPS. We went through the full process together, setting up the server, preparing the environment, installing everything manually, and finally launching the system. It worked perfectly, but it required several technical steps. Today we are going to do the same thing again, but much faster. Let's start. Let's first open the website and go to the VPS page. You can find the link in the description below. If you are already logged in, click Claim your limited edition plan. On this page you will find special edition plans that are not available anywhere else. These are exclusive offers with very high specifications at a very low price. Many providers would charge more than $96 for similar specs, but here you can get them for less than $10. If you scroll further down, you will also see the standard VPS plans. These are also solid options, so you can choose from them if you prefer. For this project and for demonstration purposes, we will select the Cloud VPS 10 Special Edition. Now we are on the configuration page. The term length is pre-selected to 24 months, but for this demonstration we will change it to 1 month. Next, choose NVMe storage. This option provides a much faster VPS, which is ideal for automation workloads. In the image section, open the Apps tab and select n8n Server one-click installer. If you are setting up a production environment or a serious project, I strongly recommend enabling backups. They cost very little and help protect your server from data loss. For this demonstration, we will leave backups disabled. Now scroll down and set your password. This step is very important because this password will allow you to connect to the automation platform later. Once that is done, click Next. If you are a new customer, you can register here. Since I already have an account, I will simply log in. Everything looks correct. Let's scroll down and click Order and Pay. And there we go. Payment successful. Since I am already a customer, my VPS is delivered instantly. If this is your first time ordering, you might need to complete a quick account verification. That is completely normal and usually takes only a short moment. Once your server is ready, head over to your inbox. You should receive a few emails, one confirming your order, another from PayPal, and the most important one containing your server credentials. You will also receive the details for the n8n installation that was automatically deployed on your VPS. The email includes the server IP address, the username, and the web address where you can access n8n. With these details, you can simply open the provided address in your browser and log in to your n8n instance. Let's copy the username from this email. For the password, use the one you created during checkout. Click Sign In, and just like that, you are in. Your n8n instance is already up and running with everything installed and ready to use. No manual setup, no complicated configuration, and no long installation process. In just a few steps, you now have your own automation platform running on your VPS. Simple, fast, and ready for your workflows. And that's it. If this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. See you in the next one.